I'm discussing a question of 2020 again. Examine the status of forest resources of India and its resultant impact on climate change. GS Geography question of 2020. Join me at Shabbir Educemi for IAS for discussing questions and how to approach an answer. Let me tell this to you with risking some bit of immodesty in my claim. These kind of discussions you can only find with me on my channel. Over time I have learned this. I have trained students, 25 years experience. जो question discussions आप otherwise करते हैं, I don't think most mentors or teachers get into this kind of conversations कि question का meaning क्या है और क्या हम चाहते हैं. Join me on my Telegram channel Shabbir Educemi for IAS and you will love learning the process of interpreting questions, developing structure and enriching it. अगर आप ये सीख जाते हैं, you can use any platform material AI tools for developing your own skills of answer writing. Now let's get back to this question. इस question का दो part है. One is examining the forest status. When I say examine, it's a kind of evaluation. How good, how bad, how much, why, what is the reason why we are losing forest in some place, what type of forest. Dense forests हैं, scrub forests हैं. India is recording lot of increase in mangrove forests. India is also recording lot of expansion of open forest. Lot of good dense forest and old growth forests are declining. तो ये आप through data बताइएगा in terms of different regions of India. The second part जो है was asking कि tell us this forest status जो है, how does that understanding impact India's climate change issues. So what students have mainly done is एक sentence लिखते हैं that deforestation causes climate change. The question was very clear. Given the status of Indian forest, tell us how that impacts climate change. एक तो contextual aspect आप भूले नहीं. इंडिया के forest status के context में है. Now that forests are declining. Tell us how that results in more amount of climate change problems. So data के साथ में tell us how carbon sequestration is becoming a problem. The second part is now that forests are declining, how does it impact climate change consequences? How that leads to bad cyclones, how it leads to problems of cloudbursts, how deforestation is related to problems of extreme events like landslides. And third, now that we are having declining forests, tell us what will happen to our agenda and our expectations around meeting the Paris Agreement commitments. हमारे कुछ NDCs हैं, हमारे कुछ commitments हैं around carbon sequestration, our targets around conserving the forests and carbon sinks. How does declining forest impact that? So this is the scope of the question. Make sure that you understand questions well. Discuss with me, Shabbir Educemi for IAS Telegram channel.